Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vandana. I am practicing in Hyderabad, Alwal. My clinic is Deep Vandana Aesthetic and Facial Hair Transplant. So I've joined this Ishamed course. It was a 3-month course where we had first online classes and then 8 days of hardcore training. We had a really good experience. Me personally, before joining the course itself, I was practicing in facial aesthetics. My clinic is like 5 years. I have been practicing in Hyderabad. Before also, I practiced in Agra, and then I finished my actually MDS in oral and maxillofacial surgery from Savita Dental. And then I was practicing in Agra, and then after marriage, I started practicing in Hyderabad. Now it's been 5 years I am practicing here. Before joining the course also, I started 2 months of practice in facial aesthetics, which was like I was doing here and there some procedures, some I don't know, some after coming here and having the hands-on training with Dr. Manish, who is like in-depth, sir has in-depth knowledge, and he cleared my basics first, which was never been so clear so far till now. And now I actually know why a simple, if I am trying to do a derma abrasion also for my patient, a very small and very simple procedures in layman language, if I should say, just removing the superficial dead layer of skin, that procedure ka bhi basic I know from the base. So imagine till the laser and everything basics is clear. So I feel so confident to even talk to my patient, tell them what actually they need of, and then I can proceed that what treatment I should do. And in facial aesthetic, I feel we should not underdo and we should not overdo also any procedures. So after having such a great mentor in my life, Dr. Manish Bhanusali, he have told me each and every steps in depth. So till now, I'm not telling I'm completely done with it or I know everything, but at least today I can confidently say that, yeah, I have taken a one step ahead in facial aesthetics, and I will do what I was doing so far. I will definitely do much far better what I was doing. Even a small technique of doing PRP, GFC, anything. I'm telling you, like from the smallest to the last procedure, what I can think about, liquid rhinoplasty, Botox, everything I got knowledge that, yeah, what not, before learning what we should do, I think we should learn what we should not do to our patient. That definitely I'm confident what I should not do, and what I should do, that also I learned so much from sir. It was 8 days of full training, lot of patients were there, and I'm so thankful to Tejinder sir also, who's the director of this Ishamed. He gave whatever exact amount what we wanted, right from the patient flow to our experience to the having food or whatever extra things what I can not even expect, that the training in the training we will have all those things. Everything was so nice, and I am very grateful to Tejinder sir, and I don't know how much I should thank Manish Bhanushali sir. I have no words for him. I am so blessed to have such a great mentor in my life. Thank you so much.